In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the skills section of your profile on LinkedIn. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage. You can access your profile by either clicking the Me item in the main menu and you click on View Profile, or click on your photograph here on the left-hand side. When you arrive at your profile page, just scroll right down until you see the skills section. Now you can see you can add a skill or you can edit the skills that you've got in there. So if you want to add a skill, just click on the plus button and all you do is start typing in what you want to find until you find it, and then you click on it and it will be added to your skills section. Add as many skills as you have, because this also gives the opportunity for people to endorse your skills as they view your profile. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on functionality on LinkedIn.